Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2013 Mazda CX-9, stock number 5934. This ran from 06-2011 to the 12th 2015. Has a TB 3.7 litre V6 petrol engine backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a TB 3.7 litre V6 petrol engine. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, one small dent. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Left rear tail light. Right rear tail light. Rear boot lid, no dents. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front 18-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door, two small dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, courtesy light, interior mirror, factory 3-spoke steering wheel, instrument cluster.